Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we're going to be looking at 3 ways I'm making money on Coinbase and how you can too. And I will also show you how you can actually save some money when buying your crypto, so make sure you stick around to the end. So before we get into the 3 ways, just remember I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a random dude on the internet, and I'm also not a Bitcoin expert, but I have done my research, so hopefully this will help. So the first way I'm making money on Coinbase is by buying Bitcoin. So I know that might sound a bit counterintuitive, but obviously the capital appreciation of Bitcoin is the potential money maker. So as the price of Bitcoin rises over the years, over a long period of time, I should see my value of my Bitcoin increase in value. The mean annual return of Bitcoin is around 400% since inception, which is obviously crazy, and past performance doesn't indicate future performance. And although it's up 400%, they've had years where it's gone down 80%, which compared to some other assets is completely insane, and not many assets have dropped 80% in a year unless something major has happened. So this is the reason why, for me, Bitcoin is a really long-term play. It's so volatile, it's so crazy that it needs to be a long-term play in order to take advantage of the returns. And if you want to see more background of what I think about Bitcoin, then there's a video right here, or here. It'd be somewhere. So how do you actually buy Bitcoin on Coinbase? So in order to buy Bitcoin, obviously you need to make an account with Coinbase. So if you use the link in the description below, then you'll get a free £7.50 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up, and also buy £75 worth of Bitcoin. So during the sign up process of Coinbase, you need to make sure that you have your ID with you. Obviously, that's me looking like a mug. See, literally a mugshot. I remember taking this after the gym. Why would I do that? So you need your ID handy because you need to verify that it's actually you signing up for the account. And then it should take a few hours in order to be verified. And they'll send you an email when it's all verified and done. So you can go on, do whatever you need to do your workout, eat, sleep, whatever. And they'll email you when it's all ready to go, and you can buy some Bitcoin or any other crypto that you want to buy. So once you've got your account set up, then you can come in here and you'll see that you've got your home screen, and then you've got your portfolio. So currently I've got £2.99 in there, but I'll tell you why later. And then if you want to buy some Bitcoin, what you have to do is click this button down here, and then you can buy crypto with cash, sell crypto, convert one crypto into another, send crypto to a wallet, or receive crypto from a wallet. So when you want to buy some crypto, you click that button and you press buy crypto with cash. So you'll come into this menu where you can see which one you want to buy. We'll go with some Bitcoin. And the good thing about this is you can do a one-time purchase, or you can set up recurring purchases. So every month, every week, every day of the month, or whatever you want to do. So as you can see, you can add a payment method in here and buy however much you want. But before you set up a recurring payment, just make sure you stick around to the end so that I can tell you the little trick that will help you and save you a bit of money when actually buying your crypto. So with Coinbase, it is really easy. You just have to obviously deposit and fund your account, and then you can buy some crypto, buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you want to buy. So at the moment I have around £110 worth of cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin. But obviously in the Coinbase app that I was just showing you a minute ago, there's only around £3. The reason for this is I've moved £110 or £107 into my Coinbase wallet. So the reason that I did this is for safety purposes. So the Coinbase wallet is one of the most safe wallets around. It's really easy to use, it's designed quite well, and has very good security features with 2-factor authenticity, which is golden. So make sure you do this, because Coinbase.com, although it is fairly safe, it could potentially be hacked as it's an exchange, as you want to keep your Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies as safe as possible. So that's why I moved it into a separate wallet away from the Coinbase exchange. Hopefully that's not too confusing. Before I jump into the second one, why not hit the like button and the subscribe button, because we're all friends here and we want to get along, don't we? I really appreciate it. The second way I'm making money on Coinbase is by doing the random challenges that they have. These challenges basically offer you free cryptocurrency if you do the challenges and get the question right. So personally, I found it quite easy and straightforward to find out the answers, because they're within the 5 slides that they show you. I did it on my laptop and it was really easy to show you sort of the video. So I think it's definitely worth doing to get some free cryptocurrency. According to Dan's video, Full Value Dan, I'll link the video down below, you can actually make around $41 worth of free crypto, which I think is pretty good. It's not the $150 that they actually advertise, but $41 is free money. I'll take it, free crypto. So yeah, I think the rest of it is referring people to buy this random crypto that nobody's ever heard of. So that might be a bit of a hard sell to your friends and your family and your dog and your neighbor. Maybe you could just avoid that and just stick with the regular Bitcoin stuff. What I've done is actually just switch all of the earnings that I've made from this into Bitcoin. So it's really easy to do that. You just have the option to swap it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto once you get the free crypto. So I'm just pumping mine into Bitcoin at the moment until I learn a bit more about Ethereum and all the other ones. So it's definitely some easy cash. So even if you just withdraw the money or buy or swap some crypto, then I think that's definitely worth your time. The third way I'm making money is by referring people or using someone else's referral code to get some free crypto. So I personally use Damien Talks Money's referral code. So that was very nice of me. You're welcome, Damien. Got your back. But as I mentioned earlier, you can use my link and get your free worth of £7. Then here's the kicker. You can refer all of your friends as well. You can refer your mum, your dad, your dog, your aunt, your uncle, the naked man across the road, whatever you want. And if you've got 7 people to sign up, that's an extra free 70 quid worth of Bitcoin. So it's probably worth talking to that weird neighbor once in a while. Obviously, stay socially distanced, especially if he's naked. All you have to do is watch Wolf of Wall Street, and then you can use the sell me this pen technique, and you'll be golden. So that's all well and good, but how can you actually save money by buying crypto? Well, it turns out that Coinbase.com is actually 3 times more expensive than Coinbase Pro. And the reason for this is that it charges a fee every time you invest into crypto and deposit into their platform. So what I think you should do is once you've got your free £7 worth of shares, which will negate the fees of Coinbase.com, then you can start buying on Coinbase Pro. Coinbase.com has fees of around 1.51% depending on how much you buy, and Coinbase Pro has around 0.5%, which is still a lot. But if you're buying a consistent amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever every single month, every single week, blah, 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 you want to make sure the fees are as low as possible. Coinbase Pro is essentially a trading platform, so trading cryptocurrencies. So it can look a bit confusing. It's not the most user-friendly, but once you learn how to buy some crypto on there, it is fairly easy and straightforward to continue doing so. And for the price, it is so worth it because you are saving a lot if you're consistently investing. It's just a bit more fiddly and potentially a bit more time, but if you're going to be saving 1%, then it is definitely a good idea to do so. Coinbase Pro doesn't require another account or anything. You can sign up with the same account. It's just a different app, and it's a different platform on the website. So make sure you do that because it will kill your gains, and let me know how you get on because that's what I'll be doing from now on. So that's it from me. Good luck on your crypto roller coaster journey. I'll be on there with you streaming when it goes down. But we buy more and hopefully it pays off. You never know. It's only going to be a small part of my overall portfolio because I don't want to lose all my money potentially. So just be wary that it is a very volatile asset. It's not confirmed, it's not guaranteed, so just be very careful. And if you're still not a fan of crypto, then just stick to regular investing. I've got some links if you want some free shares. So we've got Stake, we've got Trainee 2, we've got Free Trade. So go down, have a look, and get your free shares at your heart's content. Does that work? Not really sure. But it's easy money, so do it if you fancy or not. But what you should do is make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one. So peace.